name is Dawn Stalker, and I am one of the owners of Hurst Firestone Auto Care in Flagstaff, Arizona. We do full automotive repair and tire sales, as well as ignition interlock services. We're a family-owned business, and we operate what we believe with high integrity, and we try to make sure that we are being open and honest with our customers, and we really feel like we get that from LifeSafer. Working with LifeSafer, they have streamlined their processes, which in hand has helped us to streamline our process. We have clients that may need another service done, whether it be tires or oil changes, things like that, and we will look into their LifeSafer appointment, see when that's happening, and then typically schedule them in at the same time so they're able to do everything all at once. LifeSafer has the support for us, whether it be wiring diagrams, the call team, where you can actually learn what you need to successfully put these in vehicles. The LifeSafer team is able to help us anytime that we had any kind of issues, whether it be with a client or a technical issue of any kind, and we value that. We definitely found that our relationship with LifeSafer has been much more fruitful for our business. Their commission structure works well for us, and it's increased our monthly income by at least 10 to 15%. And we have that daily extra income from any installations, any calibrations, any removals, and that just adds to our bottom line as a business. Flagstaff has a need for ignition interlock service, and LifeSafer helps us to provide that. We're making the roads of Flagstaff much safer. It is just another way that we feel like we can serve the community. I see this relationship with LifeSafer continuing on until I'm ready to not continue on working, but until then, we love our relationship with them and we plan to continue for many years.